Hello everyone, welcome to What, Why, How session of IS Baba. Today we are going to discuss some of the science and tech and mapping questions. First one, the ChaSTE. Friends, what is this ChaSTE? It is a payload of Chandrayaan 3 mission and its full form is Chandra's Surface Thermophysical Experiment. And here, so it has done some experiment and it has provided some of the data for us to study. It said that at the Shiva Shakti point where Chandrayaan 3 landed, it recorded some 82 degrees Celsius. And just 1 meter away from that point, it recorded a temperature of 58 degrees Celsius, which is a huge gap compared to our Earth's gradient of temperature. In Earth, we don't have such a huge difference in 1 meters. It would be almost same. And in the night, the study says or the ChaSTE says that the temperature of the moon goes as low as 184 degrees Celsius. And this again gives us some thought point about how the land, how the soil can change for that huge temperature change overnight. Yes, likewise. And say the detection of water is also being much easy now because ChaSTE says wherever we have low temperatures, there we can find water in the form of ice. And water that is being discovered there can be used for fueling satellites. Say in the future, when we launch the satellites from the moon per se, we can use the water, we can electrolyze the water. The electrolyzed water can be used as the hydrogen fuel. After electrolysis, the hydrogen fuel is obtained that we can use for the engines to launch satellite from the moons. So these are the fodders we get from the article. And say Gaza Israel conflict. Recently Israel has bombarded again and again it becomes in news. Friends, Russia Ukraine war is going on. A map question came on Russia Ukraine war. Hence, we can also expect a map in the Israel region here. So here we can see Israel nation so goes in these borders and we can have Mediterranean Sea in one side, then we can have Egypt in the other side, and then we can have Jordan here, and here we can see Gulf of Aqaba in the very south. And friends, here we can see the Dead Sea, so that is bordering Israel. So we can say Dead Sea borders your Jordan and Israel. So that analysis we can deduce here. And say somewhere here, so we can see the Jordan river flowing. Yes, so that is why here as the Jordan river flows like this part is in the western part of Jordan river. That is why it is called the West Bank. So West Bank names come from the Jordan river and it is being in the west bank of Jordan river. That is why the name West Bank. And here you can see the Gaza Strip, and here you can see the mountains called Golan Heights, and this was asked by UPSC once. And above Jordan, here you can see Syria, and here Lebanon is also present in one side. So these are some of the countries which are bordering Israel. Yes, so if you make mnemonic and remember, it would be very much helpful for us. Yes, so here we have the M, and then we have L, and then we have S, and then we have J, and then we have Egypt, E. Yes, we can have a mnemonic like say MLS JE, or we can have a mnemonic like J Salam, JESLM. So J Salam, J Salam can be, so one trick we can remember this. So by making mnemonics, you can remember as many maps as possible. So do this. All the very best from my side. Good luck, friends.